is an introduction to the Treadman Peel and Stick One-Piece Step Riser Template Kit. We're going to show you how to install the kit as well as using the proper technique to cut perfect one-piece stair treads every time. The kit will include template right, template left, one 2-inch scribing bar, and 2-inch roll of masking tape. Okay, now let's install template right. Start by peeling off your tape, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to line up this edge right here with this edge right here up to the notch. Okay, let's install template left. Start by peeling off your tape. And there again, you want to make sure that you line up this edge to this edge to this notch. Now we're going to make a scribing bar from the scrap material stair tread. What you do is you take your scribing bar and you line it up to the edge exactly. And cut a scribing bar that's exactly the same size as the one that you're using. Next, you want to measure over 3 1/4 inches and cut the length. And that's it. Now you have a scribing bar that's exactly the same width as the one that you're going to use to cut the material. Okay, now we're going to put a 2-inch piece of masking tape over the template. Okay, now let's install a 2-inch piece of masking tape on this template. Once the Treadman is locked into position, as shown in our first Treadman video, I will show you how to mark templates. Press firmly against the template with 2 fingers, holding the template flat against the cove stick and riser. Now take your other hand and smooth that tape right onto the cove stick and the riser to make sure that it sticks well. Once that's done, take the scriber that you made, slip it up under the nosing, and mark it with a pencil. Next, take the scriber and slide it to the script board and mark the side. Okay, now let's do the right template. Now we're going to remove Treadman from the step. The first thing you want to do is know what the dimension is. It's 44 3/4. Write that down on the step. The next is unclamp Treadman and then pull the shims out. And carefully remove the templates from the riser. Now we're going to set the width of the step, which is 44 3/4, and we're going to add a 1/16 of an inch clamp it down. Next, place it onto the stair tread firmly, and then stick your tape on both sides. Next, take your scribing bar and mark the depth of the step. Next, we're going to mark the depth of the step. And the first thing you want to do is you want to subtract 1/4 of an inch from each end, and that's the thickness of the stair tread. And that's because the radius of the stair tread on the top is different than the radius of the stair tread on the bottom after it's installed. Make your 2 marks, take your straight edge, connect the 2 marks, and cut. Okay, now we're going to cut the width of the step. Now we're going to cut the left side. Now we're going to remove Treadman. Now let's finish cut the tread. Put a slight bevel on it. Perfect fit every time.